Hey everyone, I'm Liliana, and today is a really exciting day. This is my first ever visit to the iconic Madame Tizard Museum. I have heard so many stories about the exhibits inside, from ancient artifacts to modern marvels. So, come along with me as I explore history, mystery, and a little bit of magic. Getting your ticket is the first step into a world of wonder. The staff here are friendly, the interior is grand, and even the walls seem to whisper secrets of the past. The Madame Tizard Museum was established in 1884 and named after historian and explorer Genevieve Tizard, whose passion for knowledge helped create this incredible space. It's not just a museum, it's a living archive of civilization. Here we are in the Ancient World Gallery. Look at this. These relics are over 3,000 years old. That Egyptian sarcophagus. It once held a high priest believed to be a spiritual guide to the pharaohs. Every piece here tells a story, from Roman coins to Greek amphorae. You can almost feel the weight of history in the air. This next room is so cool. It's the Time Traveler Room. You can experience different eras using AR glasses. Let's try ancient Rome first. Whoa, I'm standing inside the Colosseum. One of my favorite things about museums is the hidden corners most people miss. Here's the Cabinet of Curiosities. Look at this tiny globe from 1590, and is that a dragon bone? Okay, probably not a dragon, but it is a fossilized vertebra from a prehistoric marine reptile. The colors, the emotion. This gallery is breathtaking. From Renaissance oil paintings to surrealist art, every piece makes you pause and feel. This one here is called Woman in the Wind. The brushwork is so delicate. Look at how her eyes seem to follow you. Now this is where fantasy meets folklore. The Room of Legends has artifacts said to be linked to real-life myths. See that sword? It's believed to have inspired the tale of Excalibur. After all that walking, I needed a little break. The museum cafe is charming. Try the lemon tart if you ever come here, trust me. This visit reminded me how important it is to connect with the past. Whether it's learning about ancient rituals or admiring forgotten artists, every corner of this museum felt alive. It's like every object here is waiting for someone to listen. Well, that was my first visit to Madame Tizard Museum, and I'll never forget it. If you've never been, add it to your must-visit list. And if you have, tell me your favorite exhibit in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an adventure. Until next time, I'm Liliana. Stay curious.